Hey y'all, we are going to unbox my Telfar bag from the Bag Security Program 4. Now let's get into it.
Ain't nothing like you. Love yourself like no one else. I'm telling the truth.
Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Princess. Welcome, and thank you so much for joining me. On this video, you guys know what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk about my Telfar bags. Of course, you saw the title. Anyway, so your girl got an opportunity to do the Bag Security Program, which is BSP 4. It was back in April, and before I show you the bag, let me just give you a background of what BSP 4 is. So basically, BSP, Bag Security Program, you pre-order bags and you pretty much get them within 3 to 6 months. They pretty much make your bag your own. You're not getting it from I don't get that part, because they say it's your bag, it's your own, it's going straight to you. I guess I assume you order the bag, they do the bag, whatever, and they send it straight to you instead of going to Telfar and then coming to you. So that's how, I guess that's what we're gonna say. That's what I'm gonna assume is happening. But anyways, it comes within 3 to 6 months after pre-ordering, instead of your bag coming within 2 weeks on a regular drop. So I did that, and I didn't go crazy like all the other girls. They got like 16, 17, 20 bags. I got one bag, which is the one bag that I've been wanting. So I'm gonna open her up. Here she is. All right, so I'm so excited about this bag, you guys. This is my everyday bag, and if you've been following me for a while, then you know what that everyday bag, what color it would be, and which one that I've been really crying about, that I've been wanting. Isn't she cute? You know, this is the first bag. No. See, my last medium had the logo. This one has the establishment. What else is here? And then of course it has, it's got to show off the fact that it's real. It came straight from the site. I ain't get it from no Alibaba, no Amazon, DH, whatever they call it, DG. I don't know what they call them. Anyways, y'all. So of course it comes in a duster. Gotta love these dusters. This is what I keep my bag. The way I store my bags, I keep them in the duster, and then I keep them in the Ziploc bag, and I hang them up like that. So let's see what she got this time. It's not a small. Last time I've been really loving my smalls, but this is my everyday bag, and she just had to be this color. Presenting her. Oh, she's so cute. They look. I'm so excited. Isn't she lovely? She's gorgeous. And y'all, I got the Velcro. My last medium, my glue did not come with the Velcro, and I was like, what is that? Okay, so there was a big thing. Everybody was like, well, where did the zipper go? This bag in the medium, the zipper is on the logo side. So showing y'all that's what a zipper is. Has its tag like normal, telling you what it is as far as the medium black. And yeah, she cute. Oh, it's lit. It's lit. It's lit. No complaints. I'm overly satisfied, you guys. We're gonna continue this video because I got to go. I have to go pick up my sister from the airport, y'all. But this her, y'all finna be seeing her a lot, okay? I just want to show y'all I got the big medium. Thank you so much, BSP 4. Bag Security Program, for dropping that girl sooner. I wasn't looking forward to her until about July or maybe October, depending on which one he was gonna drop it, send it by. But She here and it's June, what's today? It's June 24th, okay? I'm so excited. She's so cute. I know. Lost for words.